So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to play Dwarf Frog Ninja Hero game. I don't know. I don't know. I think this is a new update game. I have never played this here. So guys, let's play this game and let's see which is the best game ever. So guys, it is telling to click at the yellow button. I have clicked, nothing happened. So guys, I just do it. Nothing should be happen. What is this button do? So guys, let's see. What is the button do? Just try. Oh, bhai. Oh, this is up. This is up. This is down. This is like this. Oh, now understand. If we go to the building, our health is to be what called? Yeah, guys, leave this thing. So guys, let's focus in the game. So guys, let's try if this rope can take me in the ambulance too. Oh bhai, oh bhai, oh bhai sahab. So guys, I think we have to drive this like this accelerate and this. So guys, first I'll see. Wait, what is it showing? Drop. Pick up the person. What is the date mark coming? So guys, let's go here. I think our jump will complete from here. So guys, let's test. Wait, look. What the bike means doing, guys? So guys, let's check. What is? I think this is our place. This girl you can see. Oh, why is not coming in our truck? First telling to come and not coming. We are waiting. I notice this type of girls. First telling me. Oh no, bye. Guys, my health has become little low. Oh guys, where's the girl? Oh, there. I think she's coming to fight it. Guys, I think oh bhai. Oh bhai. Oh bhai. Oh bhai. Oh bhai. Oh guys, I think police are coming. I think I should go from here. Sorry भाई साहब, मुझे ये गाड़ी चाहिए. Guys, I will speak. Guys, I will speak Hindi. Okay, guys. I think you will do. So guys, first I don't need this car. I was just taken down from police. Oh bhai. Oh, what does this button do? Just jumping. And this we can't speak. Oh bhai. Oh, this button is what this? I think it is for taking pistols. Oh, I have 33 rupees. Let's go to guns up. I think here is a guns up. Here is giving mark, guys. You can see, guys. Here is giving a guns up mark. So guys, let's test. Oh, so guys, let's see if there we can get gun or not from only 33 rupees. This. Oh, bhai, I want to go from here. So guys, let's. Oh, I think we have to go here in. I think we have to click. Armored 150, I don't need this. Pistol 200, revolver 300, CQ 1600, carbine 1400, Q847 1300, shotgun 1000. I think guys there are no guns. So guys, let's say grenade. Grenade is 100 rupees. Oh, bye. Guys, we can't take anything. We need more money. So guys, first I don't know what. Do you want to go to? Let's test, guys. What will happen here? It is telling to open us. Oh, we have got 180 money and one pistol, guys. And now 151 money we have now. So guys, I have 151. So I'll take grenade, guys, now. Yes, guys, you listen properly. Grenade. Grenade under the pitch. We have got. Now our money is finished. So guys, we have got 5 grenades. So guys, let's test in this box of grenades. I think we have to click this button. Oh no! Guys, we can't. Oh guys, I am dead. I think we have to run away. So guys, it is telling dead, you lost. So guys, it is telling you lost 200 rupees for medical, and I think they have taken me to hospital. So guys, let's test again this. Guys, advertise is coming. So guys, finally the advertise has been finished. So guys, please let's take the grenade from far away. Guys, I think we have to run away more. Oh guys. Oh guys, I think this is a police commissioner, guys. It is coming to take his car. I think oh guys, it is telling to job disturbing. Guys, I don't this are only we get 33 rupees. We need one on more than 1000 rupees, guys. Guys, what is the stray area telling? A joker? I think this joker one is a circle, and this Caesar type is what called? Barber.
आग जल के सारे तू नाक क्यों जलाते इसको?
Oh guys, I think this joker one is banned. I don't want to take. Oh guys, there are so many cards about here. One card, two. I think from this place we used to get cards. Yeah, it's a nice card. Guys, I have seen this card many times. This was about more than 200 kilometers per hour. Cause I'll not take it speed. It is used to not show this speed. Wait guys, I'll see this what the barber shop. Guys, I don't want to cut my hair. Bye bye guys. So guys, first let's test and also play. Oh guys, these are our villains if we. So guys, see, okay, see guys, they are coming to kill us. Oh guys, I think we have to run away from here. Guys, I will make it little speed. What is this police? I think that is our job. Oh, one more helicopter signal. I'll not go this out of the map. So guys, let's see what is the home. So guys, let's see that home. I think they have provided us a home. It is giving like a garage signal. So guys, let's test it. Where our garage? I think it is like garage. Oh yeah, it's. Oh guys, now I know. We can keep our vehicle like this. So guys, let's close. What is this telling? Garage vehicle saved. So guys, let's test if it is our open. Oh no guys, here is not our vehicle. So guys, let's open it again. We draw sport car orange. Let's test. Oh guys, this is our car. We have found it successfully. guys. Guys, one time I'll damage this car, okay? In full speed. I don't know what will happen, so let's test it, guys. Oh. So guys, let's test.
खेलना चाहिए तो वही
Oh, guys, our car has been damaged. Guys, let's go to garage. I'll keep it there. Nothing will be happen, guys. We'll install more car. Guys, I'll install Lamborghini. I have seen that in the screenshot photos that install in Play Store when we're going to download this game. I see that there is showing a driving Lamborghini. So guys, first keep our garage here. Open it fast. Oh guys, it has been opened. So guys, first I'll close it. Guys, it has been. So guys, let's see it will be. This that is a with the weather. Oh guys, our car is repaired.
ये था
I don't need this car. I'll install more car, guys.
अरे गाड़ी के पास जाऊँ ना
So guys, first to take I
और
don't know.
पैसा मिला
Oh, I'll take that, guys. Okay. So guys, I think this card is for us. Not for us. I think somebody have forgotten it. I have installed it. So guys, I park it here. So guys, let's see if we have two cars or not here successfully. Oh guys, we have two cars now. One classic car, and I think that classic car means that white car. Wait. I don't. It can be fit in. What car? Oh guys, one more car. I don't need this. I have already one now. Somebody give me bike. I need. Who is there? Oh guys, why are you trying to kill me? Guys, why are you trying to kill me? My health is not left more than. Oh guys, so guys, I think we have to run away. I think this is a very strict. So guys, I think police escaped successfully. Not. Guys, I'm running from here. If police came, I'll go on. Oh, but guys, I need add more. Oh no, guys, my health is. Guys, you can see my health. Oh no, guys, I am dead. So guys, this was my video. Please like, subscribe. So guys, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel.